Let's see how you can fix the problem where the ringer sound volume gets low on incoming calls on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro devices, but this will also work on older iPhone models like the iPhone 15, iPhone 14, and so on. This is a pretty easy fix, and the first step is to open the settings on our iPhone, then scroll a bit down until you see this Face ID and passcode option. Maybe they will prompt you to enter in your passcode, so just enter it, and you will get access to these settings, which is just what we need. Once on this page, our job is to find an option that is called Attention Aware Features, and this is enabled by default, which can cause the ringer volume to be low on incoming calls. It says here that the iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So this is the reason on why the iPhone lowers the volume for the incoming calls when it does detect your face and it detects that you're looking at your screen. Let's do a little incoming call test and see how the phone rings when the attention aware feature is enabled for us. So I have this incoming call. When I pick up my iPhone and I look at it, then the phone will lower the ringer volume because it detects that we're looking at our screen. We don't want this because a lot of times we can miss the call because we cannot hear the phone ringing. So this is how it rings when the feature is turned on. If I now disable this attention aware feature and then do another test call, this is how it's going to ring. As you can hear, the phone doesn't lower my ringer volume because I've disabled that feature. But if you're still having issues with the ringer volume and you can't hear it, then you want to hop over to your iPhone settings once again, then open this Sounds and Haptics section. And maybe the volume right here wasn't set to the maximum, and that's why you didn't hear it clearly. So just set this to the maximum and then your issue will be fixed. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.